Yeah, welcome back. So now we will talk about the another example, another category which is called as classification. So here if you see there are 5 examples which I will be going to explain you. This classification, so it will be, if you provide the prompt like this prompt is the following is a list of companies and the categories they fall into: Apple, Facebook and FedEx. These 3 companies, these are very famous companies. We know what this does. So I am saying Apple. So and category column. So the response which I will be receiving is technology. So Apple is a technology company, right? If you see, nowhere it is mentioned that Apple is a technology company. It is giving it the response based on the knowledge base the system has. And second thing he is already mentioning is Facebook category is social media and FedEx category is delivery. Now if you write same stuff on the playground, I am opening the playground here and let's say if I say Microsoft, let's try. I don't know what answer it will give. So if I say Microsoft, so it will model predicting stop sequence, something is wrong. Okay, let's see. I have removed the stop sequence. Yeah, so it is by default saying category is a technology. So you see what I did, I was not knowing about that, but the playground, on the playground by default there was a enter as a stop sequence. So might be in the response there might be enter keyword or something, some character, that's why it has stopped. So this all on the right side, everything you can configure, you can make changes here, you can change the temperature, maximum. I have already explained about all this stuff previously. If you have not gone through it, please go through it. In that video I have mentioned what all these settings is all about. Okay, so this was the simple example of a classification. So let's move on to the next video.